Hey, Liz here. A lot of exercises in Pilates Core Mat I. I thought I'd go through each exercise, just do them twice, and hopefully you'll find that helpful so that you feel confident when you're coming to class, that you have some understanding of what these exercises look like. Because I realize in this virtual world and doing it via Zoom, it's not always easy compared to when you're live in class. Okay, first exercise, the 100. For the 100, legs are at tabletop or at a high diagonal. Starting at tabletop, lifting our shoulder head up, arms by our side, and we vigorously pump our arms, and we can take up to a high diagonal. Rock up for half roll down, head towards knee, C-curve the spine, and inhale as you stretch out, your arms are nearly straight. Exhale as you come up over your knees, head towards your knees. It's an inhale, C-curving the spine, and up over, all the way down onto the mat. For roll up, legs can be straight out and flexed or with a slight bend, arms straight up, lifting the head. We inhale and we exhale, up and over. Inhale, start to peel down bone by bone, and exhale. Inhale, up, exhale for the roll up. Next exercise for one leg circles, pulling one knee in, other leg is straight out, either with a slight bend, flexing that foot, leg up to the ceiling, arms by the side. It's across, around, and up. We do that for 5 times, and then we reverse around, across, and up. Around, across, and up. Take that in, switch legs. You could have the other leg this way. It's beginner's level, Core Mat I. Just go at your own level 5 times, and then we reverse, cross, around, and up. One leg circles. Next exercise, rolling like a ball. Lifting your feet up, heels together, slight V shape, dive your head between your knees, C-curve the spine, rock back to the shoulder blades to rock back up. You rock back to rock back up, rolling like a ball. For the ab series, bring your knees into your chest, hands just below your knee, other leg at a high diagonal, pulling in as we exhale and inhale to switch. Exhale and inhale. Single leg stretch. For double leg stretch, arms and legs at a high diagonal, we circle them around and pull in. Let's inhale and we exhale for double leg stretch. For scissors, legs straight up, shoulder and head up off the floor, hands behind one thigh, other thigh out, other leg out at a high diagonal. We pull that leg in towards us and then we switch. It's pull, pull, switch. This is scissors, pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch. For lower lift, fingers underneath your tailbone and the hands are in a diamond shape. Twiddle your fingers, should be able to see them. Shoulders and head up off the mat, legs straight up. Lower to a high diagonal and then lift it back in. Lower, lift. For crisscross, hands are behind your head, towards the nape of your neck. Legs are on tabletop. Lift up. One leg out at a high diagonal, other knee in, and twist. And then switch to it's up and around. Up and around, twist. Crisscross. Rock up for spine stretch forward. Slight bend of the knees, or straight, feet are flexed, arms out by your side. You inhale, you grow taller. Exhale like you're going over a big beach ball, looking into your abs. Inhale, start to stack the spine. Exhale, relax. Spine stretch forward. Next exercise, corkscrew. It's a diamond shape underneath your tailbone. Keep your head and shoulders on the mat this time. Straight up. We're circling around. Legs are together. To the right, around, in. The center, left, around. Corkscrew. Rock up for saw. Legs are about mat distance. Have a slight bend. Arms are out by your side in the peripheral so you can see them. We're twisting pinky finger, the pinky toe, knee and ear, and pinky, and we just 3, 2, 1 for saw. Flip over for swan. Hello for your head. Glue your head to your fingers. Feet are on the floor and lift up your head like a frame and down for swan. Next exercise is single leg kick. We're pulling ourselves onto our elbows. Hands are in a nice soft fist. So single leg kick, we kick twice. Kick, kick, and lower. Kick, kick, and lower. Single leg kick. Next exercise is side kick series. Align yourself up on the back of your mat. Stack your legs and lift them up towards the corner of the mat. Hand in front. And I'll guide you through a number of legs exercises as well as the lower leg. We flip around. Same story, aligning yourself on the back of the mat. Stack those legs, bring them out towards the corner, hand in front. We work the top leg, and then we'll be working the bottom leg. Side kick series. 3 more exercises to go. The teaser, core mat 1, we keep our legs bent. One leg at a high diagonal, knees are pressing together, hands are up, coming on up, hands up. The teaser, and we tease gravity back down. We'll do 3 of that on each side. Up and down. Rock up for seal. Dive your hands through your knees and wrap around your ankles. Lift up and rock back to the shoulder blades to rock back up. Rock back to rock back up. You can hold the balance and clap 1, 2, 3 for seal. Last exercise. Take yourself up to the top of the mat. Standing position. Bone by bone, peel yourselves down. Walk out to a plank position. And we'll hold the plank for 10. And we take our hips up and walk in. Well, we'll do that 3 times. There you go. Pilates Core Mat 1. These are the exercises. Thanks so much for joining me on the mat. Look forward to doing a full class with you real soon. Take care. Bye.